This shade is made with the DewFix Auto Descend headrail system. As you can see, it has a smile to the bottom. It is 53 inches wide, and when it is down, it is a flat shade, and it is 57 inches long. Now I'm going to turn it to the back. So you can see the back. And along the bottom edge here, I have inserted a very small plastic rod because I need it to be flexible. And you can see here that it's inserted into the 2-inch hem, and when it's down, it will go straight, and when it's up, it will allow the shade to have that smile. As far as the spacing is concerned, I've come up 3 inches for the first ring, and every other ring is spaced at 8 inches. The first ring comes in 1 inch from the edge. The second ring comes in 1.5 inch. The next ring comes in 2 inches. The next ring 2.5 inches, and then the next ring is 3 inches. And then the rest of the rings up the shade come in at the 3-inch mark. In order for the DewFix Auto Descend system to work properly, it must have the weight along the bottom edge. So I've taken the DewFix bottom weight bar, and I have covered it with lining. And I have tacked it right below the first ring on each side. And again, that gives me the weight that I need to allow this shade to go all the way down. Now I will tell you that I had placed this weight bar underneath the second ring, and whenever I pull the chain to allow the shade to go to the bottom, it stopped at the length of where that second ring was. And so it did not allow the shade to go all the way to the 57-inch mark. Hope that makes sense. Okay, again, I only had 2 rows of rings on each side. DewFix headrail system, and as you can see, it allows the shade to smile. And again, when it's down, it is flat, and it goes flat because of the spacing of the rings on each side. And I did use the Safety Shade ring locks.